Good morning dear students. Welcome back to e-lectures. In previous video we discussed worksheet 1 to 6 and now in this video we will discuss next worksheets of chapter future time reference. Moving further, in worksheet 7 you have to complete paragraph by filling correct forms of verbs taken from the box. Simple present is used to talk about future events if they are pre-decided. Now complete this exercise. In worksheet 8, we will discuss future perfect tense that talks about an action that will have been completed by a definite time in the future. In future perfect tense, we use will have and third form of verb. Here, some sentences are given. Words in bold letters tell about the action like will have increased, will have established. To understand properly, timeline is also given. A timeline chart is given in worksheet 9. You have to imagine what new developments will have taken place in the given fields by the given time and complete this chart accordingly. See the picture given in worksheet 10 and write the changes that will have been made before the arrival of Mr. Kumar, who is visiting his company office. Words are given here and make sentences with these verbs. First one is given, the sweeper will have cleaned the floor. The painter will have painted the wall. The receptionist will have cleaned the table. The accountant will have cleared accounts files. Artist will have made banner. Like this, you can complete all the sentences, and in all the sentences you have to use future perfect tense. Conversation between Suman and Priya is given. We have to use present tense and future tense to complete the blanks as are shown in this exercise. In part 2, some errors are there in the passage. Write the correct words in the blanks. Do it on your own. Part C of Do It Yourself exercise. By using the future perfect tense, fill this exercise with the responses of different people about what they will have achieved before 2025. Before 2025, I will have finished my schooling. Before 2025, Nidhi says I will have done MBA. Swati, before 2025, I will have got married. Aman, before 2025, I will have got a doctor's degree. Like this, you can complete this whole exercise. Now I hope you might have understood this chapter, Future Perfect Tense. Now revise and complete lesson 9. Thank you and have a nice day.